Good morning student. In the previous video, मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3 हा कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. तर आज आपण काय शिकणार आहोत? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हाऊ टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट अ ट्रायंगल when two angles and one included sides are given. म्हणजे दोन अँगल आणि एक साइड्स ते दोन अँगल मधील साइड दिली असेल तेव्हा आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? ट्रायंगल कन्स्ट्रक्ट करायचा आहे. तर आपण कशा प्रकारे तो ट्रायंगल कन्स्ट्रक्ट करायचा ते आपण बघूया. So let us take example. आपण example घेऊ from the practice set 4. Practice set 4 मधून एक example घेऊ. Based on this topic, या टॉपिक वर आधारित example आहे. So here a triangle SAT, the length of AT that is given 6.4 centimeter. Measure angle A is given that is of 45 degree and measure angle T that is given 105 degree. 105 degree. Okay. Now we have to construct this triangle as AT. Okay. So while constructing a triangle, okay, first of all we have to draw the segment AT of length 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter. Okay. So we have to draw the segment AT of 6.4 centimeter. Look here. After 6, count the 4 lines. Count the 4 lines means we get 6.4. Okay. So first of all, we have to draw the segment AT of length 6.4. Okay, I am not taking the exact measurement. Exact measurement घेतलेले नाही इथे. You have to take, तुम्हाला exact measurement घ्यायचा आहे, that is the 6.4. Okay. So AT is 6.4. Okay. 6.4 centimeter. So we have to use a protractor. आपल्याला प्रोट्रॅक्टरच्या सहाय्याने अँगल काढायचा आहे. तो अँगल काढत असताना तुम्ही चुका करता. बघा 105 डिग्री आहे, हा काय ऑब्टूस अँगल आहे. ऑब्टूस अँगल आहे म्हणजे मोर दॅन 90 डिग्री. काही विद्यार्थी काय करतात? 105 डिग्री ते करतात. So it is a less than 90 degree. It is not 105. It is a 85. It is a 85. So 105 degree means more than 90 degree. Means we get here 105 degree, not here. Okay. Not here. You will get the 105 after 100. Look here. After 100, count the 5 line means we get 105 degree. Okay. So look here, angle A 45 degree. It is an acute angle. Okay. So 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree. Look here, put the protractor, pointer of the protractor on the point A. Okay. On point A, put a protractor and should be parallel to AT. AT शी समांतर असला पाहिजे. Okay, put a pointer, this pointer on point A and 45 degree. Count it. 45 degree. Look here. Here I am putting here on the point A. Point A means you have to count from this side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and this is a 45. This is a 45. If I put this protector on T, then where we get 45 degree, here we get a 45 degree. Look here. 40 after 40 we get a 45. Here you are making the mistake. तुम्ही इथे चुका करता. Position of the protector, we have to decide the angle according to the position of the protector. कशा प्रकारे आपण protector ठेवतो त्यानुसार बघा 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Okay. And if I put this protector on this side, then you have to how to read 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170 and 180. Okay. Then look here. We draw the angle A, that is 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay. So you have to read from these sides. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45 degree. Then join it. So we get angle 45 degree. Okay. We get angle how much? 45 degree. Okay. We have to extend this. Then look here. 105 degree. Angle T of 105 degree. So put the pointer on the point T. Pointer of the protector on the point T. Now from which side you have to count? Look here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 105. 105. Okay. So here we got 105. Okay. After 100, count 5 lines. Means we get 105. Then we have to draw one ray passing through this point and starting from the point T. Okay. So now look here, we have to extend. Okay, we have to extend this. Here we will not, we didn't get any intersection of these two rays. Then we have to extend the ray. Okay, so here, look here, this ray from the point A. Here also we have to extend. Look here. So this this intersection of the two rays, that is a point S. Point S. Okay. So this angle is 45 degree, that you have to mention here, and angle T, how much? 105 degree. This angle is 105 degree. Now we construct this triangle as a T. Look here, two angles and included sides. Included side. Our heading is to construct a triangle given two angles and included sides. Okay. So like that we have to construct a triangle SAT. First we draw the segment AD. Then after that, by using the protector, We have to measure this angle 45 degree, okay, and the angle T, how much? 105 degree, okay. So like that we have to construct a triangle as a T, okay. Then one more problem we will take. आणखीन एक problem घेऊ. Now we'll take the problem number 3. Problem number 3. So we have to draw this figure in notebook. Notebook मध्ये तुम्हाला ही फिगर ड्रॉ करायची आहे. So this is a practice set 4. This is practice set 4. बघा practice set 4 आहे का? Practice set 4. Problem number 3. What is problem number 3? I had a triangle EFG. In triangle EFG, the length of EG equal to 6 centimeter and a measure angle F, that is a 65 degree. Measure angle J, that is given 45 degree. That is given 45 degree. Look here. What is given here? The length of EG given. Length of EG. Now how we construct? Only FG is given, the angle F as 65 degree and angle G is 45 degree. Then how we construct this triangle EFG? We have only EG length. So first we draw the rough figure, okay? Rough figure we have to draw E J and here F. Okay, so whatever angle is given, that you have to put here 65 degree, okay, and angle J is 45 degree, okay. So this angle we don't know, and the length of this segment is given, EG is given, okay. If FG is given, then we can easily draw, but here EG, length of EG is given. So first of all we have to find out the angle E. You have to find out the angle E. Angle E किती अंशाचा कोन आहे तो आपल्याला काढावा लागेल, तरच आपल्याला फिगर काढता येईल, ओके. So how to get angle E? Do you know student? तुम्हाला माहितच आहे की तिन्ही कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज किती असते? किती असते? 180. The sum of measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay? So angle E plus angle F plus angle G equal to 180 degree. So that property of triangle we have to use. Which property? The sum of the angles. Sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so that property we have to use. So here we have to use, so in triangle EFG, angle E plus angle F plus angle G equal to 180 degree. So angle sum property, or you can write the sum of measures of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So this property you have to use. Angle is not given, so angle E Angle F is given 65 degree and angle G is given 45 degree. Okay. So angle E plus how much? 65 plus 45 means 110. 110 equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now we get angle E, that is 180 minus 110 degree means we get a 70 degree. So angle E equal to 70 degree. Okay. Angle E we get 70 degree. Now we can easily construct the triangle EFG. Okay. After getting angle E, we can easily construct the triangle EFG. So first of all, you have to write how to get angle E 70 degree, that you have to show. Then after that, त्यानंतर आपल्याला फिगर ड्रॉ करायची आहे. ओके. अँड ड्रॉ रफ फिगर ऑल्सो. तर जी रफ फिगर काढलेली आहे ती सुद्धा आपल्याला ड्रॉ करायची आहे. ओके. राइट डाउन इन notebook. Then after that we have to construct the triangle EFG. Okay. The length of EP is given how much? 6 centimeter. This is given 6 centimeters. So we have to draw angle EG. So suppose this is a 6 centimeter. Okay, I am using the suppose. Okay, I am not taking the exact measurement. So I am using the word suppose. This length EG is given. That is the 6 centimeter. So by using the scale, measure the length, that is the 6 centimeter. Exact measurement you have to take. Then look here, how much angle E? Angle E how much? 70 degree. Now just now we find. आत्ताच आपण angle E किती आहे तो काढलेला आहे बघा. तर 70 डिग्री आहे म्हणजे काउंट काय करायचं इथून करून करायचं. ओके. 10 20 30 40 50 60 and here 70. Okay, look here, 70 degree. Okay, put the pointer of the protector. Look here, look it this you have to keep this protector properly and draw the angle E how much? 70 degree. 70 degree. Okay, this is the angle of 70 degree. Just now we find. Okay, 70 degree. Now angle G. Now here I am putting the pointer of this protector on the point G and should be parallel. Okay, keep the protector properly. Otherwise you will not get the correct measurement. Now 45 degree angle G over 45 degree. Then count from the below one. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and this is a 45. Okay. This is a 45. Now join it. Join it properly. Degrees. Okay, this is a 45 degree. Okay, now if you want to check your angle, this point is at. Okay, we didn't draw this angle. आपण हा angle काढलेला होता का नाही, कारण की लेंथ ऑफ EG दिलेला आहे 6 सेंटीमीटर म्हणून अँगल E सर्वप्रथम आपण काढलेला आहे. तो आपल्याला चेक करायचा आहे whether this angle F is 65 or not. So look here, keep this point, okay, F point. Keep this pointer of the protractor on the point F. It should be parallel to FG, okay. Now look here, we'll get the 65. We'll get the 65 degree, okay. Exact 65 degree. Look here, after 60, count the 5 lines. Look here, we get the exact 65 degree. Exact 65 degree, okay. Look here, 65 degree we get. Exact 65 degree. Okay. So, like that, we have to construct this triangle. Okay, two angles also, and one included side is given. Then we have to construct this triangle. Okay, so this is our practice set 4. Sometimes two angles are given, one length is given, but here easy is given, but angle is not given. So we find the angle E. So आपण angle E काढला by using the property of the angle sum. Okay. The sum of the measures of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Then we have to add the angle and subtract from the 180 degree. We got a 70 degree. Okay. So today we complete our practice set 4. So whatever remaining problem in the practice set 4, that we have to complete in a notebook. Okay. Now the next construction we'll see. Construction number 4. Okay. Construction number 4. To construct a right angle triangle. Okay. Okay. Now I am drawing this figure. Okay. We have to draw this figure in a notebook. तुम्हाला notebook मध्ये ही figure काढायची आहे. So whatever step is given, that you have to write. Steps ज्या दिलेल्या होत्या त्या सुद्धा तुम्हाला लिहायच्या आहेत. To construct a right angle triangle, given the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse म्हणजे कर्ण दिलेला आहे. Given the hypotenuse at one side, आणि एक साइड दिलेली आहे. One side. ओके. बघा, सर्वप्रथम आपल्याला हायपोटेनस काय, कोणती साइड हायपोटेनस असते? द लॉंगेस्ट साइड जी असते राइट एंगल मध्ये. राइट एंगल, we know right angle 90 degree. Okay, this is a hypotenuse. ही साइड काय आहे? हायपोटेनस आहे, म्हणजे कर्ण आहे. ही दिली असेल आणि एखादी कोणती साइड दिलेली असेल, ही किंवा ही साइड दिलेली असेल, तर आपल्याला ट्रायंगल कसा कन्स्ट्रक्ट करायचा राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हे आपण आता बघूया. ओके. सो we have to take practice set 5. practice set 5 मध्ये एक उदाहरण बघू आपण. ओके. आणि तुम्हाला माहितच आहे राइट एंगल म्हणजे the triangle, the measure of this triangle. Okay, means this one of the angle is 90 degree. म्हणजे हा 90 अंशाचा कोन असतो, त्याला राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल म्हणतात. ओके. तर आपण बघूया एक प्रॉब्लेम बघू. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5. तर कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्रायंगल्स पहिला प्रॉब्लेम घेऊ आपण. इन ट्रायंगल MAN, measure angle MAN equal to 90 degrees. Length of AN, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, length of AN 8 centimeter, and the length of MN is given 10 centimeter. Length of MN is given 10 centimeter. Okay. So how we construct this triangle MN? तो आपण हा ट्रायंगल कसा कंस्ट्रक्ट करू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have to draw a right angle. Okay. So first we have to take the, आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? सेगमेंट AN घ्यायचा आहे 8 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. So by using a scale, count up to 10, you have to count and draw. Okay, look here. I'm drawing here. Okay, this is a segment that is a 10 centimeter. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is a AN. That is a 8 centimeter. Okay. Then MAN. How much 90 degree? Means angle A. The meaning of this angle MAN is angle A is 90. It is in a 3 letter. If single letter we use, then angle A, that is a 90 degree. Okay. Put the point of this protractor on the point A and draw the angle A, that is a 90 degree. Okay. So this is a okay 90 degree. Okay, this symbol shows it is a 90 degree. Okay. Then what is the length given? MN is given. MN, that is given how much? 10 centimeter. MN is given 10 centimeter. So by using this compass, take the distance of 10 centimeter, means length 10 centimeter in a compass. How? Look here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 8 centimeter we take here. Now MN how much? 10 centimeter. Okay. I am not taking the exact measurement here. That you have to understand. AN how much? 8 centimeter. Okay. Now MN 10 centimeter. So count it. 1 and this is a 10. Okay. 10 centimeter. Then take the length, that is a 10 centimeter. Okay. So this is a length MN of 10 centimeter. हे काय अंतर किती आहे? 10 centimeter चं अंतर आहे. Now from the point N, okay, put a pointer on the point N and mark the R. Okay, mark the R. Look here, this R of how much? 10 centimeter. And this R, look here, this R intersect this point. Okay. Then this is a point M. How about the point M? Then you have to join it. आपल्याला काय करायचा? हा M आणि M हा जॉइन करायचा आपल्याला. M आहे आणि हे आपल्याला व्यवस्थित join करायचं आहे. So use a sharp pencil. Okay. So we get the required triangle MAN. तर अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करायचा आहे. So first we take the segment AN 8 cm. Okay. Then from the point A we will draw angle 90 degree. Okay, by using protractor. Then from the point N we have to mark the arc of how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter. Then where this point intersect, from that point we have to join M and N. So we get the required triangle MAN. Okay. Now one more problem we will take from this practice set 5. Okay. So we will take the problem number 4. Problem number 4 we will take. Okay. From the practice set 5. So you have to draw this figure in notebook. Okay. आपल्याला ही फिगर ड्रॉ करायची आहे नोटबुक मध्ये. तो चौथा प्रॉब्लेम कोणता आहे बघा. In triangle PQR, length of PQ, that is a 4.5 centimeter. व्यवस्थित लिहा. Length of PR equal to 11.7 centimeter, and measure angle PQR. Measure angle PQR, that is a 90 degree. Okay. Measure angle PQR. How much given? 90 degree. Okay. So first we have to draw angle Q is given. Means we have to draw this segment PQ. Segment PQ. So draw the segment PQ of 4.5 centimeter. Okay. I am drawing here. Draw it properly with the proper measurement. So suppose this is the 4.5. Okay. Here angle Q means here PQ. Okay, that is a 4.5 centimeter. Now angle Q how much? Angle Q how much? 90 degree. So by using a protractor is assignment 90 का angle काढायचा आपल्याला. Put the protractor, pointer of the protractor on the point Q and mark its, that is a 90 degree. Okay. So this is a 90 degree. Okay. Then after that here PR is given how much? 11.7. 11.7 given. Okay. So here look here, the scale 11.7. After 11 count the how much line? How much? 7 line. Okay. 1 and after 11 count the 7 line. Okay. After 5 means 11.5, 11.6 and 11.7. Okay. Then you have to take the, so here so adjust this distance, that is 11.7. Okay, then after taking 11.7 from the point P, mark one arc. Look here, from the point P I am putting the pointer of the compass on the point P and mark the arc. Look here, this arc intersect at this point and that point is R. Okay, then this is the point R, then join the point P and R. Okay, this point P and this point R, so join it properly. Use a sharp pencil. Okay, so we get the required triangle. Which triangle? PQR, 11.7 सेंटीमीटर. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जे काही आपण तुम्ही मेजरमेंट घेतात ते तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे तिथे. ओके, विदाउट फॉरगेट you have to whatever measurement, जे काही मेजरमेंट आपण घेतो ते लिहायचं आहे. ओके, सो लाईक दॅट वी हॅव टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट. अशा प्रकारे आपण काय केलेला आहे, राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल कन्स्ट्रक्ट केलेला आहे. जेव्हा हायपोटेन्यूज दिला असतो आणि वन ऑफ द साइड इज गिवन, देन वी कन्स्ट्रक्ट द ट्रायंगल, राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5 हा कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5 मध्ये जे काही उदाहरणे वाचलेली आहे, रिमेनिंग प्रॉब्लेम आहेत ते तुम्हाला घरी करायची आहे.